Alright, today in Packet Tracer we're going to be configuring static routes, and we're going to identify the different types of routes, and we're going to verify our connectivity so that we know that those routes are set up. So first we're going to go to our branch router and go to the CLI, and we're going to enter into global configuration mode. Oh, sorry, already in there. Okay. So we are going to enter our IP addresses and subnet mask and our routes. Okay, and that's our first one, and I'm probably not going to do a whole lot of talking between here because I got to type in a lot of numbers. Um, but that's just to ensure that I get them right. And later on, when I actually go to check these, I'm going to know if something's off somewhere because when I check the configuration, I will definitely know. Okay, and those are the routes that I'm going to type in for this configuration. I'm going to exit and save. Okay, and I'm going to do this for three different routers. I'm going to do it for the headquarters router and the ISP router. So next we'll go to the headquarters router and do the same thing. Global configuration mode. And we're only putting two in for this one. Oh, I forgot to put in the IP route. And I'll just copy and paste all that, so I'm not going to type that out again. And if I can see any more of these that I could copy and paste, I might try that too. Okay, now we got that in there. But I don't think there's going to be, because we're starting from different IP routes to different IP routes, so I don't think you would even get the same one twice there. Huh. Try that again. Oh, that's what it is. Okay. So I'll try that again, and I'm going to take that extra 0 that I typed in there, see if you do something like that, then it's telling you did something wrong there. Let me do the whole thing. And I'll just take that extra 0 out there, and hopefully. Okay. It's not letting me take it out. Let me just try that again, I guess. Sometimes some of this stuff can be painstaking. See, I almost did it again. Okay, now we're set up there, and we'll exit out of there and save. Okay, and then we'll do the last thing for our ISP router. Global configuration mode. Uh-oh. ISP route, IP route. Yeah, we'll give that a go again. There we go. See how many times I can get it right now. got one more. Okay, and we'll exit out of there. And we'll save. Alright, then we're going to check our configuration. So we'll go here and we'll check out our IP route. And as you can see, we have three static connections, and those are the ones we just set up. And we have our two directly connected that were already connected. Okay, and then do that for each one. Alright, and we have our two static connected that we set up. And we have our three static that we set up there. So now what we're going to do is we are going to try to ping some of our computers and make sure they're going to work. So we're going to go to our PC1. Command. And we are going to ping PC2, which I'm going to have to find the IP address for PC2. Okay, 192.168.2.126. Maybe I'll just keep that up there, just to remember. So I'll ping 192.168.2.126. Okay, we had one request timed out, but the rest of them made it, so that means that we didn't make it from every direction, but we made it from three of them, so we actually are connected to them. And then we're gonna go to our ping our web server from PC1. Gotta try to find the so I think That's going to be our 209.168 or 165.201.1. No, it's going to be 201.2, 165.201.2, yeah. Next, that's our static route that we set up. So we'll go to PC1, we'll go ping. .165. Dot 1. And we'll put that space in there. That's not going to work right. And we are connected. And then we're going to do a trace route. To our web server from our PC1. And our trace route worked. Okay. And looks like we set up our static routes the way they're supposed to be.